Welcome back to Instables, everyone. Again, going over our intraday swing and long perspective. Again, we have been testing the upper end of our channel here, and now we are bouncing again off of our 20-day moving average here, looking to see if we will continue on with this bounce and possibly get that proof of concept that we could not get prior, again, after Powell mentioning that unemployment is not exactly as high as we were looking for. Will we possibly get that proof of concept? I'm going to go over exactly what our bullish and bearish case scenario would be. Hit the like button if you enjoy, subscribe if you're new to the channel, and if you are a day trader, if you're looking for very volatile breakouts, we mentioned pre-market news 2.5 hours before market open. Any breakout that is worth looking at throughout the day, go to instables.com in the description below, and only for $15 a month, you will never miss a breakout alert today. Again, let's jump into this one. So jumping into the daily chart with you guys here, again, looking at our intraday perspective, looking at our candle setup here, again, looking at a possible morning star bouncing off of our 20-day moving average. This could be a possible follow through. And the reason why is because, again, a morning star is when we get a pullback. This is an engulfing candle. We did have our follow through on that pullback. However, now we do have a close of our candle, not only closing higher with the green candle, but also opening here above our doji candle, showing us that this is surely a morning star. However, we are bouncing off of our 20-day moving average. We still need our 20-day moving average to cross back above our 50 for that continuation on bullish momentum, and we still do need to continue to respect our 20-day moving average as we are curling above our 50. This is going to be that bullish case scenario and giving us that continuation on that bullish momentum. Again, swings and longs, very much looking to see if we will get that confirmation here above the upper end of our channel, get that proof of concept, a possible spike on this morning star, and a possible retest for that proof of concept. And again, that will be that confidence that swings have for that continuation when we do get that proof of concept on that possible engulfing candle on the upper end of our channel. That will be that confirmation that we're looking for a continuation. And again, with that possible intraday continuation here on our increase in buy pressure after decreases in buy pressure, we do want our buy pressure point to be above our prior buy pressure point here. So again, we're looking for that confirmation on increases in pressure at this point in time. We do have our EMA line that is pointing up once again, showing us that possible bullish case scenario and continuation. And one thing we really do like here that we have been keeping an eye on is that our EMA lines are above the median of MACD, showing us a possible continuation. So looking for a continuation on buy pressure going into this week. That will be the swing and long perspective here on the daily chart. Again, as far as intraday, we do have a lot of resistance coming up on the upper end of our channel, and our prior rejections that we had here from 395 to 400, there's a lot of resistance. I definitely would be careful, but if we can get that bullish candle set up intraday as well on the upper end of our channel, continuing on past 400, then in my opinion, we can test our 408 level that we had a prior gap down from. And again, giving us room to run since we did have a prior gap down here, showing us a possible gap up here, possibly a retest. And then looking for that proof of concept again for swings and longs to continue on above the upper end of our channel here. Now, jumping over to the weekly chart again, we are closing the week with a rejection on the upper end of our channel here. However, we do have again what's called a hammer candle here, showing us a clear bounce off of our 20 weekly moving average. We did not close above our channel here. We did close still below here. So we're looking for our 20 weekly moving average also to cross back above our 50 weekly moving average. Again, all signals are showing bearish momentum at this point in time, but what shows us that possible bullish case scenario again is our EMA lines on the daily chart. So again, keeping in mind, the reason why we're looking at that possible bullish case scenario is because we do have a hammer candle coming out here, and we also do have our EMA lines crossing higher on the daily chart that shows us that possible continuation, but very much looking for that confirmation. And again, getting our 20 weekly moving average above our 50 weekly moving average will be that shift in momentum. As you guys can see prior, our 20 crossing below our 50 give us this continuation on the sell-off. We would have known this is a false breakout looking at our inverted hammer here and giving us an evening star here. Again, the opposite of what we see as a possible morning star on the daily chart, showing us that continuation on lower with our 20 crossing below our 50. So again, keeping that in mind, our 20 weekly moving average still needs to cross above our 50 weekly moving average to have a continuation for swings. Now looking at the MACD here again with our increase in buy pressure from again last week, getting a continuation on that increase in buy pressure, and our EMA lines are getting very close to crossing above the median of MACD. So again, our 20 weekly moving average crossing above with our EMA lines crossing above the median of MACD would be that ultimate, again, swing and long scenario. So again, very much on watch here to see if we do get a possible reversal. This could be that possible inverted head and shoulder playing out here. We're going to see if we do get that continuation, if we get confirmation again on the daily chart to continue on higher with that bullish candle structure. Now looking at the monthly chart again, looking at our long perspective again, as we do sit on last month's candle, showing us that engulfing candle from our prior month, and that could be our continuation on that bearish case scenario. So again, keeping that in mind, we do need to close within our pullback of this candle, or else we are going to continue on lower. We are still looking to see if we can close this candle within our body of our prior candle to show us that possible bullish momentum. But again, at this point, very much on watch to see if we do follow through with that engulfing candle that we had prior, or if we do possibly get a bullish case scenario by closing within our prior body's candle. So again, very much looking to see exactly how we close this month. Very much on watch this next week for possible bullish momentum. However, if bearish momentum comes, that is, in my opinion, a lot of opportunity. So we're going to keep that in mind as well. Now, again, with that said, if you are a day trader, if you're looking for very volatile breakouts, for example, if you guys did see GNS, an amazing breakout that we had this week, absolutely crushed it here in the Instabulls room, continue to break out here from pre-market and continuing to break out after pre-market. Again, a continuation on the day, a very nice breakout on the day, over 100% on the day. Go to instabulls.com in the description below, and only for $15 a month, you will never miss a breakout alert today again. And all of you Instabulls, again, I appreciate you guys continuing to take what the market gives us. We'll see exactly how the SPY closes this month, how the SPY exactly closes on the weekly chart as well, and how our daily chart reacts to the upper and lower channel here going into this week. Going to be very key. We'll see exactly what happens. And again, all of you Instabulls that come over and support the channel every single day, again, just taking with the market just like we do in the Instabulls room. And again, staying blessed. Hope you guys do have a great weekend. I'm going to be going over the market tomorrow as well on exactly where we're headed next going into this week. We'll see exactly what happens. And again, if you guys do like this video, it does help the channel grow, and I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all, and I'll see you guys in the next video.